Nikon D3400 with 18 to 55 millimeter VR proof, sharp images, and 1200 shot battery beginners love. Ever snapped a family moment on your phone only to zoom in and see a blur ruin it all? You are not alone. That frustration hits every aspiring shooter itching for real control. The Nikon D3400 with its 18 to 55 millimeter VR kit changes that with beginner-friendly smarts. What is your biggest phone photo gripe? Drop it in the comments or share your dream shot idea below. Deadlines loom, stress spikes, and your phone's battery ghosts out mid-shoot, leaving you scrambling in the dim light. That gut punch emptiness stings. Imagine reclaiming clarity without added chaos. The Nikon D3400's 1,200 shot battery life and guide mode deliver instant control. No more frantic taps. Feel that weight lift already? Enter the Nikon D3400 with the AFP DX NIKKOR 18 to 55 mm f3.5 to 5.6 G VR lens in black. Your breakthrough from phone mediocrity to DSLR mastery. This lightweight powerhouse packs a 24.2 megapixel DX sensor for razor-sharp, vibrant images that pop with Nikon colors and dynamic range phones only dream of. The AFP kit lens nails silent, lightning-fast focus for crisp stills and smooth 1080p video, while vibration reduction steadies handheld shots in low light. Guide mode acts like a personal tutor, decoding aperture and shutter speed right on screen, so you learn without overwhelm. SnapBridge Bluetooth zaps pictures to your phone effortlessly. Continuous shooting at 5 frames per second keeps action frozen, and that unbeatable 1200 shot battery means no mid-adventure swaps. Picture this, a busy event pro almost blew a client deadline chasing focus misses, but grabbing the D3400 kit with the lens collapsing compactly into their bag, they locked perfect shots in seconds, colors bursting vividly under stage lights. Heart racing turned to pure flow. No gimmicks, just reliable outcomes that feel electric in your hands. Efficiency surges with the Nikon D3400 kit. Focus sharpens on creativity, not gear fiddling, boosting performance as guide mode unlocks professional techniques fast. One top YouTube educator with 500,000 subscribers raves. The AFP lens is a game changer, silent, quick, transforming beginners. Travel influencers swear by its battery life. I shot 4,800 photos on one charge across Asia. The files crush iPhone prints. Analysts note it as the top-selling DSLR bundle for years, proving core reliability over flash. One parent shared, "My teen won contests learning exposure basics. The original battery still going strong." I have seen hobbyists print stunning 16 by 20-inch enlargements from everyday scenes, detail holding firm. Can you see why thousands cannot stop raving about this kit's image quality jump? Worried about the learning curve or no built-in Wi-Fi? Guide mode eases you in gently, and SnapBridge Bluetooth handles transfers seamlessly. Results may vary, but most users nail it setup free. Lightweight at 445 grams, it is your foolproof daily driver. What is one feature you're curious to test first? Tell me below. Unlock real benefits like professional-level 24-megapixel sharpness, endless battery runs, and that intuitive guide mode, turning phone snappers into confident creators. Join photographers already seeing crisp prints and vibrant shares. Experts and users confirm the Nikon D3400 with the 18 to 55 mm VR kit delivers timeless value for beginners craving better results. Ready to step up your shots? Click the link below to check it out and grab yours today. Simple as that.